You want more. I know you do, or you wouldn't be here. And I love that about you. I bet you're also a little conflicted about wanting more. Or maybe you don't even know what you want. You just know there must be more to life, and you want to figure out what that is. Well, you were in the right place at the right time. Imagine having the clarity and self confidence to go after what you truly desire. Envision a life where the critical self talk fades away and is replaced by a deep sense of self trust and empowerment. With the more process, all of this is possible. I'm Brenda, Florida, certified life coach and lover of more. Wanting more often gets a bad rap. For those of us who want more, we often hear you should be happy with what you have, or who do you think you are, as if we're being selfish or greedy. Well, actually, wanting more is our natural state, just like it is in nature, right? Grass is always growing, even when we cut it. Even in winter, when things seem dead, they're only dormant. They're waiting to burst into more. Well, you deserve more in your life, and a whole lot less of some other things like stress and criticism and fear and confusion and overwhelm. In this new program I call More, we will dive into all of it. What you want more of, what you want less of, and exactly how to get there. So check out the details below and join me.